Yeah, we'll go
afternoon.
ahead.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So, on behalf of SSN IAC, we welcome our principal, IAC coordinators, and members for the fourth council meeting. And this is the last meeting which is held today in this second semester, because we had quarter one and quarter two, which we completed all the activities and we uploaded. And the second semester comprises of Q3 and Q4. And for Q4, that is a quarter four, we are conducting the fourth council meeting today. And I request our principal to address the gradery.
Thank you. So good afternoon to everyone. It's interesting to the Ipada start Panamarica quickly. We have gone into the fourth quarter now. Plenty of activities. I just want to share one thing. This is actually contributing to the Atal ranking. This is one part. But indirectly, this is helping us in all other proposals. Like we wrote 3 or 4 proposals for the college award for various purposes. But everywhere, an activity towards innovation, an activity towards entrepreneurship has got a weightage. So even though we are doing this only for Atal ranking, it is actually adding a lot of substance to all other proposals of the college. So that is an added advantage. So thanks for joining and participating in all these activities. So even though it's the last one now, maybe first one for the next meeting. That's the kind of speed at which we are going. And they are continuously monitoring our uploads. We have to quickly upload what we have done. And then the past 4 or 5 months, what we are doing this, we are able to see 2 things. One, there are mandated activities. We found it initially difficult to do that, but later we are able to cope with it. The second one is self-driven activities. There we have got a lot of things to do. That is where all of you can help. If each one of you can take 1 or 2 activities on a self-driven basis, and we do a lot of activity like that, instead of mandated, something more on our own, that also will add value. So generally, keep this IIC alive. Whatever activity happening in your department, try to have this linkage along with IIC. Add funding, that adds value to one more place, and try to have more of internal self-driven activities. So these are the requests from my end. I'll participate when we come along. So you can go ahead. Next one, overview. Yeah, over to you.
Thank you, sir. And with respect to the activities which we have completed for quarter 4, so when you look into quarter 3, almost 12 activities we completed based on innovation, then entrepreneurship and IPR. And for the 4th quarter, we have completed 6 activities. Out of this, 4 was the MIC, that is IAC calendar activity, and the remaining 2 was self-driven activity. And these activities also focused on early stage entrepreneur, then prototype validation, then migrating from papers to patents, then how to become a successful developer and entrepreneur. So for the 4th quarter, as per IAC, there was only 1 activity which has to be done mandatorily, but we tried to complete 6 activities so that we'll get extra reward points, and then the score from our side also will increase. And the marks that has been released for quarter 1 and quarter 2, we got 30 out of 50, and the grade, the star what we have got is 1.5, and maximum star rating was 2 for quarter 1 and quarter 2. But even though we started in the month of November only, we were able to do so many activities with the support of our principal and other faculty members who supported us to complete the activity within the specified time period. And for uploading the activities for quarter 3 and quarter 4, July 30th is the last date, and almost all the activities we have completed except the council meeting which we are doing it today. So on behalf of IAC, we extend our gratitude also to all the coordinators and the members who supported us in completing all the events. Now, I request Suresh Kumar sir to give a feedback about the Innovation Ambassador Training Program.
Thank you, ma'am. Very good afternoon to one and all present here. At present, myself and Dr. R. Selai are attending the basic level Innovation Ambassador Training Program from June 30th onwards. So total number of sessions are around 16, and the duration for each session is 1 hour 30 minutes, along with the assessment. So the topics are very interesting, like startup planning for and development, entrepreneurship development, innovation, startup and IPR, incubation and pre-incubation, etc. Every day in the session has been planned at the evening 3 to 4:30 p.m. So using this using this training program, definitely we can form a network among the under the umbrella IIC Innovation Ambassador, and this trainees can perform the role of mentor for their parental institutions, and the I8 of a particular institution can become a mentor for other IICs, other colleges as well. And then this is mainly to organize various IIC related programs such as related to innovation, startup, and entrepreneurship, etc. And same time, the innovation ambassadors can spread the message of innovation and startup to other faculties and students in the host as well as other institution also. And the brief profile of these innovation ambassadors will be displayed in the IIC portal for a public display. And the next one is the post training of these innovation ambassadors are felicitated with a token of recognition and responsibility by AICTE with the badge containing the innovation ambassador along with AICTE and MIC logo. So definitely the innovation ambassadors will get a certificate along with the AICTE and MIC logo. And once the training has been completed, the innovation ambassadors will have to complete further courses and various activities suggested by IIC and MIC, MHRD Innovation Cell. So in addition, innovation ambassadors will be given activities at regular intervals by MIC and IIC to create awareness, inculcate entrepreneurship mindset, and bring knowledge about startups to other faculties and other students members also. Till now, we have completed 12 such a webinar sessions, and we have successfully completed the assessment part also. Only 4 are remaining. Before 5th, we could be able to complete all the session, and the evaluation will be over. And after that, we will be getting our innovation ambassador certificate for our institutions, and definitely this IA certificate will help us to aim for the next level of IIC scoring. Thank you.
Thank you,
Suppose
sir.
there are more number of IAs. Does it add value, or how does it help?
Yes, sir. Definitely, it will add additional weightage, sir. Suppose next time we can request many IAs innovation ambassador from our institution, sir. So that each and everyone will become a master in one area, sir. For example, design thinking alone one faculty, startup alone one faculty. So there are different domains are there, sir. So in that way,
people call us, do that add value to the marks, or how does it go? Is
Yes,
there
sir.
any score?
Additional score we'll be getting, sir.
So if other colleges call us for training, then we get additional score, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are serving to other. Soon we will be a mentor for other institutions also, sir.
Okay, right.
Because in the IIC calendar activity, they have mentioned this as a mandatory program. So training by innovation ambassador is a mandatory program for Q1, Q2, and Q3, sir. So in that case, we can go to other colleges also, and we can invite other innovation ambassadors to our institution also. So mutually it is benefited. And innovation ambassador, number of innovation ambassador per institute is more, means we will have for the 5th star rating. They will be considering for the 5th star ratings.
Okay. So next meeting, we can invite more participants for IA training.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now the forum is open. I request all the coordinators and the members to give your feedback and suggestion for the IIC activity. And this time we have allocated budget for conducting the IIC activity also, so that people who are interested can conduct the activity for the next Q1, which will be starting for the next 2021-22. And you can just interact with us and give your suggestions.
You can share what was good, what was bad. It's just a closed forum. Now we want to learn from each other. Whatever was interesting, what was not bad, good, how to improve. Anything is okay. Please be open and share. Don't be quiet.
Yes, ma'am. It was a nice experience. As Sir said, we started, I think, by August only, August or September, and we could complete lot of activities. And especially we were able to bring some eminent speakers. Like in our department, we had Prahalad sir about the design thinking, and lot of activities were organized. Okay, and it was a good experience from my side. And as you said, when we take this forward, next time we'd also like to participate in the Innovation Ambassador program, and we take this forward, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I request other members also to give your feedback and suggestions.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We in civil engineering, we organized several sessions with eminent industrial people, and we are asking them to provide internship opportunities and other training to faculty and students. And we are trying to conduct some workshops for students and faculty so that they can be more industrial relevant. And so we are working on that. And if possible, if we can get some small budget for some of these workshops, then we can do much better workshops for that. So I am glad to hear that we have some budget allocated. So I will contact you and we will push it through to get more out of this. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I think last time also we funded.
Yeah,
no,
we got one workshop.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. This time also you can, whatever budget you require and the details you can send it, so that will help you from our side, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Any other members?
Ma'am, one suggestion. Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, the programs, whatever you have conducted, was really interesting, and I hope interested so many members also. We have to have so many, like more number of events maybe in the future with more emphasis on workshops. Sir. I personally felt like we can have more number of workshops so that the startups, if one is much interested. So we have had so many events related to startups, but more particular about startups, we have workshops like how to train and all those things, from the idea to product, and those kind of each and every stage. What are all the things we need to make a note of it? So that will be more helpful like this, sir.
Yes, sir. Definitely we can arrange, and you can also initiate in organizing those workshops for the upcoming 21-22 IAC events. Sir.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sure, sir.